how to find your user ID on Discord Mobile. So if you want to find your user ID on your Discord Mobile, then first you need to open up your Discord application. Once you open up your Discord application, you just need to simply go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right. Tap on your profile, and under profile, you'll not be able to find your user ID. So what you need to do is you can simply go with the settings option, which is on the upper right. Once you go with settings, now you need to scroll down and you need to find the developer options. So the developer options will be under your advanced. Tap on advanced and then turn on the developer options or the developer mode. Once you turn on the developer mode, here on the bottom you will have developer settings. So once you've done turning on your developer mode, now you can go back and come to the messages section. Under messages, you just need to simply go with chat. Under chat, now you just need to simply send a chat and you will have your profile icon on the left side. Simply tap on your profile icon and go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and you'll have copy username and copy user ID. You can simply go and copy your user ID, and that's it. That's how you can find your Discord user ID. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.